Hi, I'm Sara Heller, an Associate Professor of Economics at the University of Michigan. And I'm here today to talk about READI, or the Rapid Employment and Development Initiative, which was an effort in Chicago to reduce gun violence. So a nonprofit named Heartland Alliance and its local community partners aim to find the men at the very highest risk of shooting and being shot and give them 18 months of a supported job, some group cognitive behavioral therapy, and other referrals for wraparound services as needed. My co-authors and I have previously conducted a study of READI, and because there were more people eligible than we had funding to serve, we could set it up as a randomized control trial, where some people won a lottery to be offered READI and others were not offered the program, though were free to pursue other services available. We found that the program had mixed results during the 20-month program period, but no overall effect on a serious violence index. At the same time, there was some important heterogeneity by how people entered the program. And in particular, participants who were identified and referred by local outreach workers showed very large declines in shooting and homicides, both arrests and victimizations. So what we're doing in the current paper is adding longer-term data through 40 months post-randomization, and so that's after programming ended for most participants. And we're also adding hospital data that provides both alternative violence measures and other health outcomes. So the results are still in progress, and I'm not going to be able to share specific numbers, but the overall message is that the initial results persist. So both data sources show large declines in serious violence all the way through 40 months for outreach referrals, but no effects or perhaps even some hints of adverse effects among those who are referred by a predictive algorithm. So on net, the program's benefits still outweigh its costs by a lot, almost 4 years later, driven by the protective effects among the outreach pathway. So there's still a lot of hope here in terms of a promising way to reduce gun violence among those at most risk of it, but also some caution that it matters whom you serve.